Book 1 Persons, Title 1 Civil Personality, Chapter 1 General Provisions, Article 37 Juridical Capacity, which is the fitness to be the subject of legal relations, is inherent in every natural person and is lost only through death. Capacity to act, which is the power to do acts with legal effect, is acquired and may be lost. Article 38 Minority, Insanity, or Imbecility. The state of being a deaf-mute, prodigality, and civil interdiction are mere restrictions on capacity to act and do not exempt the incapacitated person from certain obligations, as when the latter arise from his acts or from property relations such as easements. Article 39. The following circumstances, among others, modify or limit capacity to act: age, insanity, imbecility, the state of being a deaf-mute, penalty, prodigality, family relations, alienage, absence, insolvency, and trusteeship. The consequences of these circumstances are governed in this code, other codes, the rules of court, and in special laws. Capacity to act is not limited on account of religious belief or political opinion. A married woman, 21 years of age or over, is qualified for all acts of civil life except in cases specified by law. Chapter 2 Natural Persons. Article 40. Birth determines personality, but the conceived child shall be considered born for all purposes that are favorable to it, provided it be born later with the conditions specified in the following article. Article 41. For civil purposes, the fetus is considered born if it is alive at the time it is completely delivered from the mother's womb. However, if the fetus had an intrauterine life of less than 7 months, it is not deemed born if it dies within 24 hours after its complete delivery from the maternal womb. Article 42. Civil personality is extinguished by death. The effect of death upon the rights and obligations of the deceased is determined by law, by contract, and by will. Article 43. If there is a doubt as between two or more persons who are called to succeed each other as to which of them died first, whoever alleges the death of one prior to the other shall prove the same. In the absence of proof, it is presumed that they died at the same time, and there shall be no transmission of rights from one to the other. Chapter 3 Juridical Persons. Article 44. The following are juridical persons: 1. The state and its political subdivisions. 2. Other corporations, institutions, and entities for public interest or purpose created by law. Their personality begins as soon as they have been constituted according to law. 3. Corporations, partnerships, and associations for private interest or purpose to which the law grants a juridical personality, separate and distinct from that of each shareholder, partner, or member. Article 45. Juridical persons mentioned in numbers 1 and 2 of the preceding article are governed by the laws creating or recognizing them. Private corporations are regulated by laws of general application on the subject. Partnerships and associations for private interest or purpose are governed by the provisions of this code concerning partnerships. Article 46. Juridical persons may acquire and possess property of all kinds as well as incur obligations and bring civil or criminal actions in conformity with the laws and regulations of their organization. Article 47. Upon the dissolution of corporations, institutions, and other entities for public interest or purpose mentioned in number 2 of Article 44, their property and other assets shall be disposed of in pursuance of law or the charter creating them. If nothing has been specified on this point, the property and other assets shall be applied to similar purposes for the benefit of the region, province, city, or municipality which during the existence of the institution derived the principal benefits from the same.